In a calm village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a respected sage named Elder Hiroshi. People from the village and faraway lands sought his wisdom, hoping to find enlightenment. One day, a curious young traveler named Akiko approached Elder Hiroshi, wanting to learn how to spot signs of a weak person. With a peaceful smile, Elder Hiroshi agreed and shared his insights through a simple tale. Long ago, in a distant realm, lived an artist named Kaito. Overflowing with creativity, Kaito struggled with his emotions. Seeking peace, he went on a journey to a hidden place where a hermit lived. Sensing Kaito's troubles, the hermit decided to teach him about the 10 signs of a weak person through a story. Elder Hiroshi began his story, painting Kaito's journey. In a blooming garden, 10 signs emerged, showing different aspects of weakness. First, the fragile leaf. Elder Hiroshi explained how a leaf goes from lively to brittle. A weak person is like that leaf, easily giving up when faced with difficulties. They can't adjust to challenges and break easily. Second, the still pond. Elder Hiroshi talked about the calm pond that doesn't move. It's like a person stuck in their comfort zone, resisting change and new things. They don't want to try new experiences. Third, the foggy mirror. Continuing the story, Elder Hiroshi told about a mirror covered in fog. It's like a person who can't understand themselves. They don't know their goals or potential, so they don't have a clear direction in life. Fourth, the shifting sand. Elder Hiroshi described sand that moves with the wind. It's like a person with no strong foundation, easily changing their mind based on what others say. They don't have their own opinions. Fifth, the echoing cave. The story continued with the echoing cave, representing emptiness inside. A weak person doesn't know their purpose and just wanders through life without meaning. Sixth, the storm's chaos. Elder Hiroshi explained how a storm's chaos is like a person's unstable emotions. A weak person can't stay calm when things get tough. They easily get upset. Seventh, the broken prism. The story showed a prism that makes light look strange. A weak person's view of life is negative. They focus on problems and ignore good things. Eighth, the mask of lies. Elder Hiroshi talked about masks people wear. A weak person pretends to be someone else to hide their true self. They don't show who they really are. Ninth, the closed hand. The story told about a hand that won't let go. Weak people hold on to anger and bad feelings. They can't forgive and feel free. 10th. The dying tree. Lastly, the story described a tree without life. A weak person can't see good things around them. They only think about problems. As Elder Hiroshi ended his story, he looked at Akiko and said, "Remember, recognizing these signs helps you become stronger. Whether it's in you or others, these signs show you how to grow and care." Akiko felt connected to the lesson and understood that facing weaknesses helps with self-improvement. Inspired by Elder Hiroshi's words, Akiko decided to think about these signs and use them to make life better. Guided by ancient teachings, Akiko began a journey to find balance and understanding in life's complex journey. The profound narrative of the 10 signs of weakness became a compass for Akiko's journey. Each sign, from brittle leaves to foggy mirrors, became a guidepost for growth, offering insights into building strength and resilience. Embracing the lessons learned, Akiko's journey of self-discovery evolved. With each passing day, they embodied the qualities that counteracted the signs of weakness: resilience in the face of challenges, curiosity to explore new horizons, self-awareness to navigate their path, authenticity to connect genuinely with others, stability to weather emotional storms, and the wisdom to maintain a positive perspective. As Akiko's presence graced the village, they became a living embodiment of Elder Hiroshi's teachings. Through both tumultuous times and serene moments, Akiko extended empathy and understanding to others, recognizing that weaknesses were not flaws to be hidden but aspects to be embraced and transformed. The tranquil village flourished as Akiko's influence spread, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and compassion among its inhabitants. Elder Hiroshi's legacy continued to thrive as Akiko shared the lessons learned, nurturing a community that found strength in vulnerability and discovered the beauty of growth through self-improvement.